Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to personalize the look of trading platform xStation that suits you the best. So here we have opened xStation trading platform in front of us. It's actually the Euro USD graph right ahead of us. At the bottom left corner of the trading platform you can see your current account balance, which means you can see your current balance, equity, and margin status for your account. And what I want to show you in this video is the way how you can change the outlook and the layout of your trading platform so it looks the best way for your own personal use. So let's start with maybe changing the colors of this graph. So by simply using the right mouse click anywhere in the graph section, you can use Personalize Charts View from this drop-down menu. And as soon as you click Personalize Chart View, you will see a new window coming up that can help you to completely change the look of your xStation platform the way you want it to. For example, you can change the axis style. Is it going to be linear or percentage? Also, you can choose your background. Do you want to see horizontal lines or you don't want to do it? As well, you can choose the color of your bid and ask price lines, trading lines, and so on. For example, let's say you want to change the colors of this graph. For example, which is set as an automatic, is the blue color for bull candlesticks, which means candlesticks that are showing us the graph is going upwards, and white bearish candlesticks. Let's say you want to change that for green bull and red bear candlesticks. You simply choose the box with the color palette, and here you can see many colors you can choose. Let's say you want to use this kind of green color with a fill, and also for your bearish candlesticks you want to use, for example, this kind of red color, which is not going to be filled. Also, you can change other things such as periods, deviations, and thickness of lines, and so on and so on. So simply you can play here with this menu and make it look, make the graph look the way is the most suitable and most convenient for you. After you have done with all of this, you can click OK, and now you can see automatically. For example, the change we made is that the bearish candlesticks are now red and bullish candlesticks are now green. Other things that you can make for your trading platform to be the best way for you, by choosing the menu button in the bottom right corner, this red button here. You have a lot of options you can use from this place. For example, you can click on any of these options if you want, or if you don't want to see them. For example, by simply clicking charts, you are going to have option to see or not to see chart. Of course, now let's say that we want to see the chart because it's the most important thing for us when we make decisions about making trades. Also, in these settings option, you can make a lot of other changes. For example, in the settings menu, you can change the language of your xStation trading platform. Here, you can see that you can choose one from 20 different languages to use your xStation trading platform. Also, you can change the sounds, meaning that you can choose for which situation on the market you want to hear the sound. If you want to hear the sound for trader stock and news, you can simply click one of these sticks, and as you can hear, actually, trader stock was automatically turned on, and you can hear the news as you are looking at the graph. So here is also a position where you can change your complete layout from dark skin to white. So for example, let's see how it all looks like when it's more light. So when you click change skin to white, you can see that complete outlook and layout of trading platform xStation is turned into white colors. So for example, let's say that you prefer the dark version, so you can get back here and change skin to dark. So in this video I just wanted to show you how you can actually make the xStation trading platform layout to be the best way for your own personal use. Now, as we have done that, in later on videos we're gonna talk more about actually using the trading platform, making transactions, and so on. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more, and see you soon. Thank you.